So, good day, Miss Cathy. I'm Raymond Brian Asuncion, along with my group mates, Kiel Nicolindura and Jared Kyle Salonga. So, today, we were going to present to you our project in Flutter. So, our project is all about building a neumorphic calculator in Flutter. So, we're doing this presentation in partial fulfillment of your subject, application development. So, let's begin. So, first, let's define what is neumorphism. So, neumorphism, it is a soft UI or UI interface style using light and shadow. So, it pairs with the thing that we call skeuomorphism, which means mimicking real-world design. So, for example, when we click a button, it will change shape or its colors. So, let me explain why did we use Flutter on this project. First, this is the required IDE or Integrated Development Environment for your subject, Miss. So, second, it is customizable. It has customizable UI or user interface with precision. So, when we edit our buttons in our projects, we can edit it because of the elements of the Flutter. Second, Flutter has an elements that what we call box decoration and shadows. So, Flutter container and box decoration make it easy to add multiple shadows, blur effects, and rounded corners. All crucial for the 3D-like soft appearance of neumorphic buttons of the calculator. Then last, it is third-party neumorphism packages. There are ready-made packages like Flutter_neumorphic that simplify creating neumorphic user interface.
And now, I'm gonna explain about App Overview. This is a simple calculator with neumorphic buttons, giving it a soft, modern look where the buttons appear gently raised or pressed into the background. It supports basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The interface is smooth and minimal, making it easy to use and visually clean without any unnecessary distractions. And for the last, I'm gonna explain, it's all about packages use. For this project, we're using Flutter_neumorphic to create soft, modern-looking UI components with a neumorphic design, giving the app a smooth, tactile feel. To handle the layout of the app, we're using Flutter's built-in widgets, which provide everything needed to structure and organize the interface effectively. And if needed, we can use math_expressions to handle more complex calculations, allowing for flexible and accurate math processing within the app.
So I'm gonna explain our project structure. Our project structure is organized by UI, logic, and button components. The next one that I'm gonna explain is our neumorphic button. So what is neumorphic button? Neumorphic button creates a soft, clickable number button. Next, how does our app works? Our app works by the user taps the button to build an equation. For example, equal button evaluates the expression. So after the user inputs all of his desired equation, the result will be displayed on the screen. So by that means, it is easy to build with Flutter and Flutter neumorphic. Next, it is a good practice for layout, UI, and logic. It also looks modern and works on multiple platforms.